So far, you all are doing an excellent job with finding your articles. However, one of the sticking points for some of the assignments, including the discussion board, is creating those citations, because in this class they do have to be formatted according to Modern Language Association, or MLA, and for some that could be something that you are not as familiar with. So what I'm going to do is I have two articles open. I have one that is local to me, about a car crashing through the front of an auto parts store, and then the other one is about the explosion in Kentucky. So I am going to use both of these articles to create citations, and then I also have open a mock discussion board post. This is just random text. I did not create a post, but just for example. So first I'm going to go to my local news story. Once I have read it and summarized it, I am going to go up to the address bar and I am going to copy the entire URL. So I just selected all the text in the box, and then I used Control C to copy. And my go-to for creating citations, at least currently, is Citation Machine. So when I'm on this page, I'm going to create a citation from a website. And then in this box, I'm going to paste that URL, click search. And then it's going to ask if this is in fact the article that I am asking about. So then I'm going to click Cite. You want to make sure you are in the correct format for this class, since we are using MLA. You want it to be the most current, so that is MLA 9. And then you will see that the article has been cited. So I am just going to copy that citation. I'm going to go back to my discussion board, and I am going to paste it. Our second article, I chose one from the Associated Press just because this is a great source for some of the articles you may use throughout the term. I am going to use the same process. After I have read the article and summarized it, I'm going to click in the address bar. I'm going to copy that address. I'm going to go to Citation Machine, and I'm going to create, again, make sure it's MLA 9. I'm going to click Create Citation from a website. In this box, I'm going to paste the URL and search. And here it is asking if this is in fact the article that I am citing, which it is. I'm going to click Cite. And then as I scroll down, you can see I use Citation Machine a lot. This one is in green because it is complete. So I'm going to copy this citation. I'm going to go back over to that mock post and paste it. So here we have two different MLA formatted citations. This first one I used because it has just the title of the article. There is no author linked to it. And the second one, because it is from the Associated Press, there is in fact an author. So this shows what it should look like. So when there is no author credited to the article, you have the title of the article, then you have the news source, the website, and the date accessed. When you have an author, or several in this case, you will have the author's last name, a comma, and then his or her full name spelled out. There are several authors with this, so then you will have the et al., which indicates that there are, I believe, 4 or more authors. Then you have the title of the article inside of quotation marks, the source where it was found, the date of the article, and then you have the web address. So you can see for both of these just what an MLA formatted citation should look like.